Welcome back to the course. So now we will discuss about the topic which is human resource. Organizations. The organizations are made up of not only bricks but also the reflection of a strong foundation is depicting in three most important categories: goal achievement, structure, and whether it's centralized or decentralized, it doesn't matter unless it's achieving some work which is being done. And the people, that's a very important. Over the past the decades, the human resource management has been given immense importance because those are very important for any successful organizations. Organizational behavior. The field of organizational behavior has developed to help us better understand the behavior of individuals and groups. Or you can also say that systematic study of how people behave in organizations. Human behavior. Their different job activities and also different roles are depicting in this picture. For example, organization structure, communication, performance appraisal, work design, and jobs. There are various roles which an employee within the organization and have certain tasks related to those roles reflect on the different behaviors being carried out by the employees. This is basic OB model, which is basic organizational behavior model. I am going to explain this model by giving you a simple example so that you can relate. On the individual level, the person might behave differently. I will explain you with the example. So listen carefully and try to relate the changes occur in behavior as the one rises over the levels. For example, I am a person who doesn't like to interact with people, just focus on my work. So my behavior would be, I don't go out socialize with my colleagues. So now one fine day, management assigns me and bunch of my other colleagues on a task. So I have to work with them. So my behavior will change and I will interact with them eventually, maybe even go out for a happy hour with them. So that task we have to present on a conference. So that would be the group level. So now I'm going towards organizational level. So that task we have to present on a conference. So we are representing our organization. So our behavior will change. So we now have a great responsibility on us. We must look sharp and our body language must communicate confidence. On the behavior changes on every level. So it is critical to analyze what factors influence the change of behavior. That's why human resource field is so important. So now we will discuss about some concepts of human resource. The bottom line of managing is getting results. HR creates value by engaging in activities that produce the employee behaviors that the organization needs to achieve its strategic goals. Looking ahead using evidence-based HRM, human resource management, to achieve the value of HR activities in achieving those goals. The HRM is used to analyze the value of how HR activities is actually benefiting the organization. So let's discuss what is human. Humans are uniquely adept, skillful at utilizing systems of symbolic communication such as language and art for self-expression and the exchange of ideas and for organizing themselves into purposeful groups. The human is being utilized in different systems so that they can engage in the activities of the organization and can get benefit of those activities also at the same time. The resources, a resource must add value to the organization. It must be rare, it must be inimitable, and there must be no adequate alternatives for the resource. Barney said that in 1991. Human resource add definitive value to the firms in the shape of providing the firm with the competitive edge in the environment. If human resource of any organization is strong, then that is a definite competitive edge for any organization. The management, the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling organization resources to achieve organizational goals. In the next section, we will discuss about the management in detail and how it will relate with human resource management of the organization and how the management is helping us to achieve the goals of the organization.